Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, form a small O with lips, place call or use cupped hand near mouth, and relax your throat. Breathe from the diaphragm, don't force air. Produce a soft, short greeting yodel, 3 quick notes, each about 1/2 second, then pause 1-2 seconds. You want natural rhythm, listen as you go. Once done, repeat with slight volume increase if needed, keeping tone mellow and nasal. Make sure to avoid harsh blasts. Geese respond to conversational, not aggressive tones. Continue by shaping phrases like a goose would. Alternate high-low-high pitches and use 1/2 second slurs to connect notes smoothly. Add soft clucks, short percussive bursts, then return to a mellow drawn note. Don't overuse clucks, only a few per sequence. Once done, vary cadence. 3 short calls, a pause, then 1 longer syllable to sound curious rather than frantic. Make sure to listen between phrases and match tempo to nearby birds. Matching reduces alarm. To finish, deliver a soft descending call that signals safety or landing, then stay quiet for 10-20 seconds to let geese respond. If birds don't react, reduce volume and slow timing. Imitate local flock patterns you observed earlier. Once done, adjust technique. Change mouth aperture slightly, raise or lower pitch, or shift your body 10-20 degrees relative to the wind to improve carry. Make sure to test small tweaks, one at a time, and watch for any positive change before altering more.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.